I said whenever I spot a pattern, I'll try as much as possible to come and share with you. Now this is GBPUSD. I know I never shared this one, but I shared on my Telegram group, so I hope if you are there, I know you know what I'm saying. This is GBPUSD, a pattern that I spotted on daily, and I was hoping I will get an entry, then I will sell this market to the half, then to the neckline, and then we continue. The reason why I've put these black lines, it is to show me that in case the market violates this zone, it means the market wants to continue going up. But in case it does not violate, then it shows that the sellers, they are willing to push the market down. This is just but a screenshot. Now let's see where the current market is. Did the market obey our pattern? Let's see. Did the market really obey? Where is GBPUSD? GBPUSD, where are you? GBPUSD. Oh, here it is. Can you see? This is GBPUSD. The pattern was on daily. Let's go to daily and see. Did our market obey? Can you see? This is where the pattern was. Can you see? The pattern was not violated, and this is where the market is. Let's go to 4 hour so that you can try to understand, because as much as you spot the pattern on the daily, at least you have to go to lower time frame to see what is happening, so that even you can try to enter the market. Can you see? It was not violated. This one is on 4 hour. It was not violated, and in fact the market has been selling. Can you see? And our aim was this market will come to this half. When I say to this half, it doesn't mean that it will exactly come to this half. It is just a way of telling me the market is most likely, before it comes to the neckline where we are saying at least the market can come to this zone, and that is where we are measuring it. We are saying it is a half. It is likely to come to this zone, then it will retest either this zone or here, then it can retest before it continue going down, as long as it has not violated this zone. Okay, now this is where the live market of the GBPUSD is, and we are hoping at some days it will come here, because the pattern is on daily. So we just have to be patient, because daily is the king. It is not the 4 hour. 4 hour and the 1 hour 15 minutes, they are just used for entries, okay, because the pattern is on daily. The same pattern, let's see on EURUSD, because I love using this pattern because it has been working for me, and I said I'll keep on preaching this pattern because it has been working for me. Okay, EURUSD, the same pattern. GBPUSD, EURUSD, and ZUSD, they move the same because of the USD. So the moment you spot a pattern on GBPUSD, go and try to see if you can find the same pattern on EURUSD, although it will not be on exactly the same time frame. Maybe you see the GBPUSD was on daily. EURUSD, it is on 4 hour. But you see it is the same pattern because they move the same. Now EURUSD, the same pattern on 4 hour, and I love the 4 hour because it moves quickly. The reason why I love 4 hour. And by the time I was spotting the pattern, this is where I spotted. I had seen the pattern, but we never had a good entry, and I told my people on Telegram, EURUSD did not give us a good entry, but went to the half. Let's wait. You see, it just came and tapped, and it went to the half. There was news during that day. That is the reason why we never got a good entry. And I said, as long as it had not violated, can you see? As long as it has not violated, we can always find another entry. And the reason why I'm only using the 4 hour is because the pattern is on 4 hours, so I don't have to use multiple like daily, weekly. No. If it was on daily and 4 hour, then I'll concentrate more on daily. But because it is only on 4 hour, this is the reason why I'm using the 4 hour. Can you see? After the market went to the half, now it was retesting because it never broke the half. And we are waiting as long as the pattern does not violate here, because if it could have violated here, then it could have formed a pattern we call cup and handle. But since it had not violated, we were hoping then you could still get a sell entry, and our market will come to the half. After the half, after the market retrace, then it will come to the neckline. Of course, if you're in my Telegram, again, you know what I'm saying. Those who are there, I know they understand what I'm trying to say. Let's go to EURUSD and see, did the pattern obey what you were saying? Let me remove this one. Let me try. Okay, let the market to load so that you can see. Now, can you see? Let me squeeze this chart so that it can be quite small for you to see it clearly. Can you see? the same pattern. And here is where I was saying the market had tapped and it was retesting. By the time I was spotting the pattern, the market went here. Of course, when you go to lower time frame, then you could have already found a good entry as long as it had not violated here. So you know at least your stop loss should always be above this zone, because the market can easily come and retest before it goes down. You know, the market can do what it wants to do, so you still have to be safe using even the ATR. The market came and you see the market went to the half and it has already broken the half. It has already broken the half. Now our aim was the market to come to the half before going to the neckline, but you see the market is retesting. Why is the market going up? Because of this red candle. You see this red candle, it is the one that is making this market to retest. If you are to enter this market, of course you can't enter the market now, because if you are to enter this market, in case it want to retest, it is easily for this market to come to this red candle before it continue going down. But as long as it has not violated this zone, we are still selling this market, and we are hoping that our market will come to this neckline. Then if it breaks, then we'll continue selling the market. Now if I'm to enter in this market again, because after the half was broken, then we are already out of the market. Our TP was here and the market has already gotten to the TP and we left the market. If you are to enter this market, you have to wait for retracement, and after the retracement, then you will continue selling the market. But at the end of the day, even if it is not today, we are hoping that this market will surely come to this zone. It will come to this zone, maybe not today, not tomorrow, but at least as long as, again, I keep on repeating, as long as it has not violated here, I'm hoping that the market will surely come to this zone. The same as NSD USD. I think it is the same as NSD USD. So today we have a lot of news. I don't know what will happen, but when you have a lot of news, especially during the first month during the first week of the month, there are so many news. People have to be careful, especially when trading, because you don't even have to trade during the first week of the month. If you're not sure, don't just stay away from the market. I'm not telling you to go and enter the market now, but just wait. You don't even have to enter now. You can just wait and see. If you're not familiar with this pattern, let the market be. You can just let the market and see by the end of the day, did the market go to where I predicted? Then you can start learning about this pattern, and the more you understand, you can easily spot this pattern. I hope I told you about this pattern, but it has already happened, so I'm just trying to show you the same pattern. I'm still using the same pattern on different pair, and it is working for me. So if you still feel like you want to learn more about how to trade this pattern, they are free. You just have to go and try to learn about the pattern. Try to understand what it says, and you don't have to flip. I keep on saying you don't have to learn from one strategy to another. Stick to one pattern. It will work. And when it works on one pair and then it does not work on another pair, it does not mean that the pattern is not working. It means maybe it never favored you on that time. Okay, and again, you know, the same pattern, I was using it on USD card and it never worked. By the on USD card, the same pattern was on 4 hour and it was violated, so it never worked. But you see, it doesn't mean the pattern is wrong. No, it means that it never favored me on that pair. But on Euro USD, let's wait and see, because today we have news. Today is on Wednesday, 1st May on Wednesday 2024. Let's wait. Will the market ever come to this neckline? Even if not exactly to this line, but at least, do you see this week's? Will the market ever come to this? We are hoping that the market will surely come to this after it is retesting, because I believe maybe it is retesting. It can come to this green candle to find a pattern, then it will continue going down. But as long as it has not violated here, we are hoping the market will surely go down. Now let's wait. I really want to see if this market will surely come to this zone. Okay.